All right. Good afternoon, class. I hope that everybody is doing okay. I am feeling just a little puny under the weather, and so whenever I feel like that, I feel like I probably need to do something that will make me happy. And doing something for my students in my class always makes me happy. So I just want to go back to um, something that we talked about or we've been talking about in the um, DQ section in the discussion. And one of the things that we've been talking about is how music gets people's attention, whether it's your attention or somebody else's attention. Um, and so I saw that we had somebody, no names being mentioned, but I'm sure hoping that she will rise to the occasion and do a song for us. But I figure if I'm going to ask my students to do songs or something like that, that I should model that. So first of all, I just wanted to show you um, this website. It's called mrsbeattysclassroom.com. And so if you just type in, you don't need the period after Mrs. I don't think that the thing is going up all the way. Oh, there it is. There it is. So if you can catch that, Mrs. Beatty's classroom, she has a whole bunch of great ideas, and some of them have to do with getting students' attention. And she has some really cool ways to use music or call and response types of things. When I was a principal, one of the things that I did is I would constantly make up songs, and the teachers would sometimes kind of make fun of me, but in a nice way. They would say, Dr. Arneson, what's the song going to be today that you're going to do for us? So if I had all 575 kids in the multipurpose room, we're getting ready for an assembly or something going on in the multipurpose room. They're all in there. I might do something like, um, and this is just a silly one that I made up. Put your hands on top of your head, and I expect them to do that. Put your hands on your shoulders. Put your hands on your belly button. And they always laughed at that. Now put your hands together and put them in your lap. Thank you for realizing that singing that song when I'm feeling under the weather is probably not the best time to sing to you. Another one that I did, we would talk about drug education, and I taught them this, it was a poem that I made up, but we would make it into music or sang it in different voices. So it goes like this, and you can put it to any music you want. Um, I always have a choice, no matter what I do. I make the choice, and I can't blame you. So hopefully you can get something from that. It's all about how we're independent and we can make the choice no matter what is going on. So I hope that you can get something from that. And I'm not looking for pity, but I do want you to know that you are on my mind regardless of what's going on in my life, in my health. You are always on my mind. Oh, there's another song we could sing about that. Some of you might be too young for that. And then I'm dating myself. All right, have a great weekend and let me know if you have any questions about the assignments. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye bye.